Hi guys, it's a Thursday today, June 6. It's 7:40 in the morning and ayun, naka-ready na ako. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga gamit ko. Ayan, naka-ready na lahat. Mga damit, shoes, laptop. For sure may mga makakalimutan ako and dadalhin ko na lang yun kapag umuwi ako every weekends. Pero yun, what do you call it ba? Move-in day? It's my move-in day sa Pasay and I'm going to live there for the next 6 months dahil magre-review ako for boards. I'll just get ready and double check ko lahat ng mga dadalhin ko and see you guys there.
Try to tell you how I feel inside. You make my bones shake and my heart runs wild just to feel like love is real. So I try to write about it, but the words just don't come.
Kumuha na si daddy kanina.
Magbo-boards o magbebenta ng sari-sari store? Hi guys, we're now here sa room and nag-aayos na kami ng mga groceries and mga tables namin. Oh, yan. Bagong naiya. Eh, grabe naman yung setup. Oh, and the camera. Because the editor, the photographer.
Don't worry, God is in control.
Let's see kung anong laman ng ref. Ooh, wala pa masyadong laman, guys. May nuggets sa may ludo. Hi guys, today is June 7. It's a Friday and it's my first morning in Pasay. Hey, look at that view.
The old famous saying.
Hi guys, we're now here sa SM Mall of Asia and it's 15 minutes away from our apartment and namimili lang kami ng mga kulang sa apartment and kumuha na ako ng rug and ng isang plate kasi di ako nakapagdala. Pero sila Justin meron na sila eh. Wait, nasa ba sila?
No, we ain't on experts on it sometimes. Our pride speaks louder, yeah. But we also have the moments when we're broken hearted, that's right. We made it tough, but yes, the man cried for love.